$9,780.39 in bottom line profit. Are you interested? If you answered yes to that question, the only thing you have to do right now is buckle up. We're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you for taking a minute out of your day and welcome to Car Count Hackers. If you're an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So right off the rip, before I tell you any of the details, I need to give you this one disclaimer. If you follow every single step of what I'm going to explain in this video, I make no guarantee that you'll attain the same level of profits or in fact that you'll make any level of profits at all. Got the legal stuff out of the way, so now let's get into it. So I'm going to tell you exactly how one of my car count hackers generated these profits, and I'm going to tell you now, if you think that you can't do it, let me give you some of the parameters of what this is all about. This car count hacker is a one-man shop. That means he answers the phone, he quotes the customers, he test drives the cars, he fixes the cars, he does everything as a one-man shop. Number two, all of the dollars and cents that I'm talking about are bottom line profits. These aren't gross revenues or sales or anything else. Deducted all of his costs for marketing and advertising, plus parts costs, plus labor costs. So these are truly bottom line profit. How can you do exactly what this car count hacker's done? Well, I'm going to give you the 3 steps to it, plus one secret bonus. Step number 1 is he generated a customer newsletter, a direct mail customer newsletter. Typically speaking, he sends about 330 newsletters a month. Now, I'm saying typically because his list varies from month to month. If you're looking for cost on that, the cost to print, address, and stamp each individual newsletter in a self-mailer is about $1 each. Step number 2 is he generates customer offers. Now, if you don't have offers that sell, I strongly urge you to go in the links below and check out my course, totally free training course, how to double your car count in 89 days. And I show you everything about generating customer offers. Step number 3, he does the mailing. Now, understand this. He doesn't do all the mailing and printing and addressing himself. This is done for him by an outside third party, but they're delivered by direct mail. What's the secret to all of this? Consistency. That's the fact that that newsletter is mailed once monthly with topical information about every month. Because let's face it, every month has a holiday. And if you run into months that don't have holidays, you work with other things like national days, whether it be National Hamburger Day or National Potato Day or whatever it is. But the secret boils down to staying in touch with your customers, because let's face it, all the car dealers and independent repair shops, big box stores, and franchises in your market are going after your customers anyways. So in this case, the car count hacker stays in touch with his customers on a regular basis. If this is something you think you'd like to do in your repair shop, go ahead and check out the links below. Ask the car count fixer, drop me a line, and let me know. That way we'll be able to get on the phone and I can give you all the particular details. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and take my free course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days, and do it all without wasting any of your hard-earned dollars on that money-sucking advertising. Still hanging around at the end of this video? Go ahead and watch the next video here about a business plan for your repair shop, or this other video about the most important question that you need to answer before you start generating offers. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscriber button. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk real soon.